Hello everyone, myself Supriya Amrutkar, lecturer in mathematics in Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasing. In this lecture, we will continue with the same topic which is function. Now, we start the next point of this topic which is the value of function. The learning outcome of this topic are after this session, learners will be able to solve the given simple problems based on function. That means here we solve example based on value of function. So what is mean by value of function? If y is equal to f of x is a given function, then the value of f of x obtained by replacing x by a is called the value of function at x is equal to a. That means we replace here the value of x by any number like a. We replace a as any numerical value or any alphabetical value, then we get the value of function and which is denoted by f of a. So in the procedure form given y is equal to f of x is a function, the first step is what? Put x is equal to a, then we get f of a because we replace here x as a where a is any number. Then find f of a is called value of function. Is it? Now we'll start the example based on value of function. First example is if f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1, then find f of 1 and f of 0. Here we replace x as 1 first and then 0. We get the value of f of 1 as well as f of 0 in the given example or in the given function f of x. So we consider this given function f of x as equation number 1, like f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1. Okay. Now we start to find first f of 1. So here we replace x by 1 in equation 1. We get the value of f of 1 is equal to every position of x we can replace as 1. So if x having in the base or in the multiple form, we replace only the position. Okay. So we get what? 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 1. Then the value of 1 square is 1 plus 5 plus 1. So the answer is what? 7. Therefore f of 1 is equal to 7. Another one, we find f of 0. So how we get f of 0? Yes, similarly, if we replace x by 0 in the same equation, we get what? F of 0. So what is the answer? Yes, the value of x is 0. So 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 1. So all term becomes 0 and remaining is only constant which is 1. So the answer is what? F of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, it's very simple. So by using this step, we can find any value of the function if we replace x by a given number or a given alphabet. Okay. Now the next one, the second example is if f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x plus 7, then find f of 0 plus f of 2. Now in this case, the similar way which we have solved in the previous example, but in this case we have to find the addition of these two terms. So the given function is f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x plus 7. Then we find f of 0 first as well as f of 2 and then we add both, combine both. So how to find f of 0? By replacing the value of x with 0 in equation 1. So we get what? F of 0 is equal to 0 raised to 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 7. Again all 0 terms get cancelled and remaining is constant which is 7. So we get f of 0 is equal to 7. Now the next one, we find f of 2 with the help of replacing x by 2 again in the equation 1. We get f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 7. So what is the value of 2 raised to 4? We multiply 2 4 times. So 2 into 2, again 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Minus 4, 16 minus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 7 is 19. So we get the answer f of 2 is equal to 19. But we don't have to stop here because we want to find f of 0 plus f of 2. So now in the next step we have to add these two. So add equation 2 and 3, we get f of 0 plus f of 2 is equal to, the addition of 7 and 19 is what? 26, and this is the final answer. Okay. The next one, if f of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 7, then show that f of minus 1 is equal to 3 into f of 1. Now in this case, the step is what? We have to show. And how we show the given example? If the left hand side of the given answer is the same as the right hand side, then the answer is same. Or we have to show the given term, or we have to prove the term. Okay. So what is the equation? F of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 7. Then we have to show f of minus 1 is equal to 3 into f of 1. So first of all, we have to find f of minus 1 by replacing x as minus 1 in the above equation as equation number 1. We get f of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 7. So what is negative square? Is it positive? Yes. Negative square become positive and negative cube is what? Negative. Any odd power of the negative value is negative and any even power of the negative value is always positive. So with the help of this, we get minus 1 square is plus 1 and 1 into 3 is 3. Again minus into minus become plus. So minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. So we get the half part of this. Now the next is what? We find f of 1. So by finding f of 1, we replace x by 1 in the same equation again. So we get what? F of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 7. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5. After getting f of 1, we want to find 3 into f of 1 here. So we multiply both side by 3 in the above term. We get what? Multiply both side by 3. So 3 into f of 1 is equal to 3 into 5 and itself it become what? 3 5s are 15. We consider this as equation number 3. And if we see equation 2 and equation 3, whether you get the same answer? Yes? Yes. It is what? 15. And the same answer we get, that means the both are the same value. Therefore from 2 and 3 we get what? F of minus 1 is equal to 3 into f of 1. Hence proved. Is it? Okay. The next one. Now see here, the example is in the form of logarithm and we have to find the value of pi by 2. Okay. So the equation is what? If f of x is equal to log of sin x, then find f of pi by 2. So replace the value of x as pi by 2 here. So to find f of pi by 2, by replacing x as pi by 2 become log of sin pi by 2. And we know what is the value of sin pi by 2? Yes, pi by 2 means 90 degree. And what is the value of sin 90 degree? Is it 1? Yes, it is 1. And we know the value of log 1 is always 0. So after getting this, we get the final answer, which is f of pi by 2 is equal to 0. The next example. If f of x is equal to 16 raised to x plus log x to the base 2, then we find f of 1 by 2 and f of 1 by 4. Here, in the first case, we have to find first f of 1 by 2 and then f of 1 by 4. So we start with 1 by 2. So replace x by 1 by 2 in the above equation as equation number 1. We get what? See here. See it carefully. F of 1 by 2 is equal to, the equation is what? 16 raised to x. This is an power equation, exponential term here. And in the second one, log x to the base 2. So we replace x as 1 by 2. So 16 raised to 1 by 2 plus log 1 by 2 to the base 2. The base is 2 here. So here we use which formula? Log of m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. So with the help of this, we can simplify this log of 1 by 2 as log 1 minus log 2. And similarly, raised to power 1 by 2 means what? Square root. So we can rewrite this 16 raised to 1 by 2 as root 16. And we know what is the value of root 16? Is it 4? Yes, this is the what? 4. And log 1 is 0. And remaining term is what? Log 2 to the base 2. If base value and function value both are same, then we get the answer 1. See here. We have written in the bracket log 1 is equal to 0 and log a to the base a is equal to 1. If base and function both are same, then answer must be 1. So after that, we get the answer what? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we get the first part. Now the second one, f of 1 by 4. With the same process, we only replace here 1 by 2 with 1 by 4. So replace x by 1 by 4. In the equation 1, we get what? F of 1 by 4 is equal to 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus log 1 by 4 to the base 2. Again, the same formula, log of m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. So apply this formula and we can rewrite this 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. We split it 4 with 2 into 2. So we get what? 16 raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 2. But we already find the value of 16 raised to 1 by 2 is what? Root 16, or you can also write it as 4. So we replace 16 raised to 1 by 2 as 4 in the next step. And apply the formula, we get what? Log 1 to the base 2 minus log 4 to the base 2. If we want to apply this formula here, log a to the base a is equal to 1, then we want to convert this 4 as 2. And how we get it 2? 4 is the square of 2, is it? So we can rewrite this 4 as 2 square. And 16 raised to 1 by 2 is 4. And we know what is the value of 4 raised to 1 by 2? Again it's square root of 4. And square root of 4 must be 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 now. And log 1 is also 0. But here we apply the property log a raised to m is equal to m log a. So apply this property, we get what? 2, which is the power term outside of the logarithm, into log 2 to the base 2. But what is the value of log a to the base a? Is it 1? So by using this, we get log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1, and the final answer is 2 plus into minus is minus, and 2 into 1 is 2. So the final answer is equal to what? 0. So we get f of 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay. The next one, here f of x is given and we have to prove f of x plus f of minus x is equal to 2 into f of x. So the equation is what? F of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 plus x square plus 5 minus 3 cos x plus 2 sin square x. Replace here x by minus x because we want to prove f of x plus f of minus x. So here we use odd even property. So with the help of this, we can get f of minus x is equal to, so every x can be replaced as minus x. So minus raised to even power become plus and minus raised to odd power become minus. So minus x raised to 4 become plus x raised to 4, minus x raised to 2 become plus x raised to 2, and cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta, and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. This is an again odd even property. But sin square, so minus of sin square is what? Plus sin square. So we become, the equation become what? 3x raised to 4 as it is, plus x square, 5 is the constant term, so keep as it is, minus 3 also as it is, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, but it's square, so minus square is again plus. And whether if we see this equation, is it same as f of x? Yes, it is same as f of x. So if we consider this LHS, which we want to prove f of x plus f of minus x, but f of minus x is the same as f of x, therefore we get the answer f of x plus f of x is equal to 2 into f of x. Is it? This is all about value of function. In this case, we solve or we find the value of function in which only the replacing factor is important. We replace here x by any number, x with any number, and then we get the answer of this function, which is called as value of function. Okay, thank you.